Come test drive the 2022 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, battery saver, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, braking assist, traction control, adaptive cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.